ta karon, but it's pretty obvious. We are here at City Times Square, Mactan, because we have been invited sa ilahang grand opening na sad. And this time, grand opening sa Osaka Seafood Grill, which is Booodotz. So mga adas, unsa ba inyong giuwat? Come and join me!
You hurt me, you did, several times. It hurts to admit that we're no different. I find it hard to commit, but you don't even try. Still I'm better with than without you. Oh, I'm on it, I want it, but why do you seem to call it your eyes? I can't tell if you're here or you're out there. Do you wanna be out there? You don't need to be Prince Charming to me. I just need this to be real. I don't need no fairy tale. You don't need a kill.
Larang. Makasih. Buhay pa lang? Buhay pa? Buhay pa lang? Buhay ko ba lang? Hindi ko ba? Buhay pa lang? Okay. Dapat tayo na ganay?
Suka ada sa suka one shooting garlic. Suka smoke garlic. Walay pati sir.
Wala. Kusog niya mong bakasilin. Buhay mo na mong buhaton lang. Pinagkos pa. Kaya upan mahugan ako sa buhay. Bawang gano'n doon? Dami na kayo. Substack lang. Substack. Substack. Ambok na yung makasiha. Dito na ako ipalit sa Kansaga Bridge.
Let's creep while you and me repeat. This bittersweet heat is suffocating. I'm waiting and always hesitating. Kryptonite desires set my heart afire.
Yes, mga adas, super lami ang food diri sa Booodotz Seafood Grill. Muna pagkaingnon nga sa kalami sa ilahang food, makasayaw jud kag Booodotz nya, di ba? Kailan Jay, no?
Yes, ada iling grabing lamiha gyud.
Ilang ang plato mo na urot, Jay?
Lima.
Lima di ay. So, anyways, mga adas, ang kaning kalami sa ilang food diri dili ni mahitabo kung dili tungod ni Chef Romel. Please invite them, please.
Okay, hello mga adas ug mga kaila. Imbitahan ka mo nako. Ari mo diri sa Booodotz Seafood Grill, no? We are located at Mactan City Times Square at second level. We are open 10 a.m. to 11 p.m. onwards. Pwede mo mag-extend pa sa kung naalam mo.
So, pwede magpa-reserve.
Our food is mostly a variety of seafood and budol 5. Na? We also have unlimited 299 seafood and meats. Kompleto na. Wala na may pangitaon pa. So, ari na mo dire sa Booodotz Seafood Grill. Okay?
Kita pagkainon ninyo nga naikutang nga kaon nga kumbati kay
Okay.
wala pa kinong Booodotz,
Walay gutomon kung mugawas dire, walay di gutom kung mugawas, no?
Correct.
Walay gigutom.
Tinuod kita
Kung
mga
gigutom mo, ari mo dire, sulbad inyong kagutom. Okay?
Yes, super good kayo, Chef Romel, and super lami kay mga food. Anyway, mga adas, unsa pa inyong giuwat diha katong naara diri dool sa Ma2ke Times Square, City Times Square, dali na. Unsa pa inyong gipaabot?
Okay, dali na mga kaila. Hindi na ito mga on.
Kita-kits! There, mga adas, kung gusto mo kumbati nga kinananay together with your barkadas, why don't you come and visit Booodotz Seafood Grill at City Times Square, Ma2ke. Grabe mga adas, as in, kung pila ka thumbs up ang imuhang mahatag, ako daghan jud kog mahatag ang thumbs up kay super busog jud ko. And di gyud mo magmahay kay pagaingnon pa ni Chef Romel. Once maari mo diri sa Booodotz Seafood and Grill, kuan gyud mo kinananay. And here are, by the way, mo ni sila daghan kayog mga choices, mga nagkalain-laing kanang sana mga budol 5 unsa pa ba gipang mention ni Chef Romel. So mo na, kung ganahan mo, bring your barkadas, family, kay ngano maka-accommodate sila dinhi og I think 100 plus tong iyang gi-mention, no? Murag wa kay ko nagkuan ato, but anyway, Booodotz Seafood and Grill, please check on the details, video descriptions below. And once again, do thumbs up, place your comments, and don't forget, katong wala pa nakasubscribe, www.youtube.com/Ma2ke TV. That's Ma2ke TV. Mga adas, this is Ada Elaine, and thank you all for watching Ma2ke TV. Bye!